slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement.
Everything I do so instinctive and so passionate. Every word I move so descriptive like an adjective. I got a vendetta against people who patented being negative when you should be getting after it. I got facts over tracks, this and that. Spitting slow, spitting fast, I could roast, I could gas. Think I'm okay at last, but I don't know if that can erase all the past. And the pettiness, a reflection of the emptiness. Hilarious, you think you're worth my time, you're delirious. Mysterious, because you hide behind a fake exterior. Inferior, you know I'll always be a bit superior. Get off of me, this ain't no humble brag. I want you to hear words, you can say them back. I want you to feel free from the chains at last, and to believe in what you got, it was built to last, yeah.
Now that I've been put through hell, I never got anyone's help. I had to do it all myself.
I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement.
Gonna learn the consequence of being incompetent. Mental health is confidence, dreams and some honestness. I'm not here to save the day, that's for you to take away. I could play a million mind games, but instead I say something not illogical, something that is topical. Rub it on and watch it go, make yourself unstoppable. Dreams are irresponsible, but they're always possible. If you just believe, you could be so remarkable.
Thoughts in my head, a collage and they spread. I'll be great one day, going off of my meds. No, I'm not giving up, no, I'm not giving in. I will make it to the top, taking off in the wind. I gotta make it, I'm saving every day to taste it. I'm patient, but my mind, it can hardly take it. I'm chasing a dream that I've had for several ages. A vacant, modern kingdom for the taking.
Now that I've been put through hell, I never got anyone's help. I had to do it all myself.
I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up.
The Omnitrans sbX Green Line is now in service, transporting riders between San Bernardino and Loma Linda at 10 and 15-minute intervals Monday through Friday. Learning how to ride is the best way to ensure your experience is convenient, comfortable, and safe. For a smooth experience on SBX, remember to ride right, walk right, and park and ride right with the following safety tips. Riding right is as easy as 1, 2, 3. Be a good neighbor and respect the rules of the bus. Be patient, stand back and wait for the bus to stop before boarding. Remember, wheelchair boarding is at the middle door and bike boarding is in the rear. Stay grounded. Climbing on benches, railings, or ticket vending machines is never safe. Now that you know the rules to ride right, let's review how to walk right. Obey the law. Jaywalking is never okay. Don't run. Walking gets you to the station safely. Let us help you. Handrails and yellow safety pavers on crosswalks and platforms keep riders out of danger zones. And lastly, stay safe and keep your belongings protected by following tips to park and ride right. Be aware. Park in well-lit areas and obey posted signage. Be proactive. Remove valuables in your car from plain sight. Call for help. If you have an emergency, blue phones and monitored security cameras are on site for your protection. Have questions about how to ride while at an SBX station? Use the customer service call box to speak to live operators during business hours. And finally, the cost to ride SBX is the same as standard Omnitrans routes. State-of-the-art service, no extra fees. We look forward to riding with you soon. For more information about fares, schedules, and features of the Omnitrans sbX Green Line service, go to omnitrans.org/services/SBX. Testing, testing, 1, 2, 3. With construction of the Omnitrans sbX bus rapid transit line now complete, testing of the new system begins. To help you learn how to keep safe along the SBX route, we've made it as simple as 1, 2, 3. 1. Pay attention. The SBX buses will be on the road daily and share the road with you. Respect their right-of-way, and things will be A-OK. 2. Train your brain and stay out of the dedicated bus lanes. It's never safe to enter the lane, and misbehaving motorists face a hefty fee. And 3. Watch for new signs and obey them at all times. Whether it's a bus-only sign, no left turn, or do not enter, we want you to get to your destination safely. So stay in line by watching the signs. One more safety nugget before you go. Yellow barriers are in place to prohibit certain left turns, so motorists avoid accidents with buses. Be smart and navigate these barriers safely. Make a right turn and go to the next signalized intersection for a protected U-turn. Like we said, being a safety expert is as easy as 1, 2, 3. We look forward to sharing the road with you. To learn more about the SBX line safety tips and start of service, go to Omnitrans sbX.com.
Loma Linda University Medical Center.